Everyone, today I'm going to be doing the $5 fidget spinner versus the $16 fidget spinner. Okay, first, if I could freaking get all this stuff out of the way. Okay, I'm going to show you what they look like. I've got 4 of these $5 spinners, and yeah. And I've got the $16 glow-in-the-dark LED one. Alright, first we're going to test out the spin time. So, just let me get my timer. Okay, I've got my iPad to time the fidget spinners, and let me get on stopwatch. Okay. First, we're gonna start off small with the $5 fidget spinner. Then we're gonna move on to the $16. Okay. Just gonna give this a spin. Alright, I started the stopwatch, and I spun it. About to stop. Hang on, I didn't even give that one a good spin. It's spinning almost 2 minutes. Can make it there, come on. Almost at 2 minutes. Just 5 more seconds. Yep, it's at 2 minutes now. It's about to stop. Okay, just stop. Okay, here's the time. 2 minutes and 6 seconds. Now, we're going to test out the... And that was the $5 fidget spinner. Now we're going to test out the $16 one. So, I'm going to reset my timer. And start my timer. No, it's about to stop. Well, that one's done. The $5 fidget spinner, this one, its spin time was 2 minutes and 6 seconds. The $16 fidget spinner, it only spun for 1 minute and 49 seconds. Kind of disappointed. Okay, now I'm going to do the dark room test. Let's see what they look like in the dark room. Okay, first, for the dark room, I have the $5 fidget spinner. Yeah, can't even barely see it. Now, the $16 fidget spinner. Yeah, I think it looks like the $16 fidget spinner won in the dark room. Because, yeah, $5 one didn't do so good. Alright, thank you all for watching. And, yeah, thanks for watching, I guess. Stay out of trouble, kids. I'm Troy Dan here. Goodbye.